Welcome guys. In this new video I will present to you how you can create your GPT chatbot. Right? For example, for our presentation today I asked create canteen.net architect a bot I create for my community. So in this bot, we can learn Python very easy. We will choose the message, right? And after that, he will give us how the base of Python, the concepts, and how we can program. At least give us some details about how to do it. And after that, we can chat it, right? More. So how you can create your GPT bot, right? It's so easy then. For example, you go to GPT and after that you will explore, right? Right? In Explore, you can see it, create. I will show you customize a version of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. What you like to make, for example, we can you will all up a new GPT. We got something like mega helps for. Okay, let's see it. For example, create software architect assistant to help fix code, right? So let's do it. After that, he will create a builder around it, okay, and suggest us another activity. For this case, okay, how for example, let's give the name, right? How about code architect? Why not? We will say yes, this is a good name, okay, and after that the GPT will again generate a profile picture to us, right? Okay, it's a nice picture, okay. Okay, so now our GPT bots are created, okay. So easy done. We can configure it if we want. For example, we can go here and, for example, add other conversation start, upload knowledge files, okay, give some capabilities to our bot, create actions, and if we want, we can see it, our bot totally configured. Okay, so how can I optimize this code snapshot, right? So after that, we will ask us some code. Let's put, for example, var C sharp, var something like that, var s equals, where is it, equals s, and after that we will put something like s1. Okay, it's an instance, and okay, with some issues, right? So we will suggest us something like, for example, JavaScript, right? You don't know exactly the language, so let's see. Say, okay, it's C sharp, so fix it, right? Okay, so now he suggests us the way we will do it. For example, var s0, s plus plus, now s is 1. You see it? If you want, you can do it to Java, to Java. And guys, we create our virtual assistant to help us improve the code with GPT. So stay with me and stay tuned for another video around the GPT and other interesting interesting subjects and methods. So bye, see you soon.